What's going on, cranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to the Coliseum. Welcome back, guys, to the Scalp and Chill session as we go into the Easter weekend, man. Easter weekend. And I tell you what, guys, no trades for me today. It was a good streaming day on Discover Crypto. It was a good day just kind of relaxing and watching the charts. But, guys, what a tight range, man. Just when we think that we want to our bread and butter is just a nice, calm, relaxing range. We got too small of a range. Look at this stuff, man. It's a little too crazy to try to trade something like this, man. Look at this little runoff here, guys. There's just no meat on the bones, even for the way I scalp. Even for the ways I try to teach you guys how to scalp, there's just not enough meat on the bones on these moves, man. You know what I mean? Guys, big move is getting ready to come around the corner. We're going to be breaking it down for you guys. We're going to be breaking it down for you guys during the live session. So sit back, relax, get ready to do the Ditty Bitty Tango. Let's do a quick shout out, guys. We got our boy Gates. We got Absolute. What's going on, RP? Good evening. Good evening. We got Manuel. What's going on, Manuel? We got Crypto Lion, Crypto Tobes, Grind Boss Official. Sam Bush. You're still trading it. God bless you. Yep, we got Viking Steve, BB8. It's been nice, guys. Cryptocean. I hear you guys. This is just, what's going on, Roy? Welcome. Right on, guys. Let's jump right into it because our crypto range, this is looking kind of good right now. This is looking kind of good. So what we need to do now that we know that Bitcoin has a very, very tight range, even on the 20 right in here, man. Tight 20. It's a tight 20. Look at this thing, man. We have just an absolute range from here. Let's go here. And again, guys, we're going to be looking at Ditty real quick, which is USDT. If you guys do not know what our joke is inside of the Coliseum, Ditty is USDT dominance. You go right over here. This is ETH right now, so this ain't going to help us. What the hell? All right, here we go. We're over on our 20, and actually, I want to see something real quick here. Let's go out to a 2-hour. I just want to look at dominance real quick. This thing is just riding right now, man. Multiple tops right here. This was a top. This was a top here. I'm going to keep this trend line like that here on USDT dominance, guys. So I'm going to keep this just in case we get a pop up, just to see, because we keep putting in these lower highs, lower highs. Now let's go to our 20. This is our range right here on dominance. Again, more touches, the better. More touches, the better. All right. And you guys can see from here to here to here, lots of touches there. It is coiling up. Bitcoin is coiling up. And, man, what are we going to do right now? What to do? I want to see if old Bitcoin's going to get a little pop real quick here, man. And Ditty just comes on down one more time. It's just been, gosh, what a tight range. What a tight range, guys. It could break to the downside. It can go to the upside, guys. I mean, we're getting a pump right now. We got a random little pop right now. Let's see if it can follow through. Let's see if it can follow through, man. I'm looking at it right now. So there's our range for Ditty. If Ditty comes down at all, just down into here, then Bitcoin is going to continue to get a little pop. But, guys, now let's go to Bitcoin real quick. All right? So we have this. We have our tight range. I like this real quick here for Ditty better than this. So let's look at this one because I drew this one earlier just like this. We got our highs, lows. Bitcoin's kind of tailing out. There's dominance on the bottom. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a tight range, guys, but we're more closer to the upside than we are to the downside. So I'd be a little cautious right now. Are we going to get a quick fake out, like a quick pump, and then turn right over and come right back to the bottom of this range? All I know, guys, is that everybody that is so indecisive, all the longs, all the shorts right in here, super, 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 super undecisive. It kind of goes back to what I was saying inside of the thumbnail. Uncertainty is certain right now. That's the only thing that's certain is we know that Bitcoin's uncertain. Uncertainty, You think it breaks down, Serpent? It's loading up for a move. It's going to be violent. Yes, it is. And it can go both ways right now, guys. There's cases to be made to the upside. There's cases to be made to the downside. All we can do is play our range, play our levels, get in on the shorts from the highs, get in from the bottoms. If it's, if we catch a bottom tonight. I was just playing around here, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be calling out any of these trades right now, man. I mean, I was just playing around. I haven't had a trade today. I did pop off just a quick little half a milli real quick, just a quick half a milli. I just marketed in a quarter piece, little quarter piece here. We're up a couple $100. I don't know if this sticks, dude, but this is a very, very, very tight range. I would prefer that we, I got it a little lower. Look, I don't know. This is dangerous right here, guys. Don't even trade this yet. This thing just dumps. It's going to happen. It's just squeezing right now, man. Let's see if this thing, what it's going to do. If we break down below this, I'm just going to close it out. But first trade for me for the day since last night when we popped up all these trades right in here. So let's see what's going to happen here, guys. This is tough. This is real tough acting right now. One thing for certain is if we go from candle body closes, Bitcoin is absolutely coiling up. We could see just absolutely coiling up, but so is USDT dominance. I loved trading this range, all of this up in here, lows at highs, man. There's buy orders in both directions. It could just, if we pop up anywhere up to the top, it's almost worth just putting on hedge mode and taking a short as well, man, and closing one because it's either going to come down to here or it's coming up to here. This could be just the perfect schlong. Maybe we just do a total of a milli, 500 each, highs and lows, man. One's going up, one's going down. We're up 200. Let's see if this thing pops, man. But I'm watching dominance right now, guys. I just really wanted to come out and hang out with you guys because I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow or Sunday. I'm going to just be really enjoying the family. I'm probably liable to miss the big move. Again, in the Coliseum, we don't want big moves like this to the upside or to the downside. We want a good solid range like it's been the last few days, the last 48 hours. But this has just gotten really tight in the center. Yesterday, happy Easter. Yesterday, I told you guys during the stream that this right here, it's too easy to scalp, guys. And all things, look, just when I said it's too easy to scalp, we have perfect highs, perfect lows. And now look what happened. We're stuck in the center. Woo! This is a trap, not only to these people here. This is a massive trap, and this thing's liable to go either way, guys, from right here. So the only way we're going to be able to play this is keeping a good, strong eye on USDT dominance. If dominance makes a nice big pop, all right? If dominance makes a nice big pop, look at this. We had a beautiful range, highs and lows. Now they're just playing. This is just a total trap, guys. This is straight trapping right now, man. This thing could either come down to the bottoms, pop up to the tops right up in here. It can go both ways. Dominance hasn't really broken out either. You guys can see here, on dominance, we could see from here to here, it's been 10 hours since this morning. This is just tough price action, guys. We're going down to 64, brainstream. Low volume, last RTNC, low volume. Yeah, it can go either way, guys. It's best that we just kind of hang out with each other. You know what? This is tight right now, man. This is a tight range. It can go absolutely both ways. Let's see if Bitcoin gets a good drop to like 66,830 for like a higher low. It's always meant to sweep these traders out before the big move. But the only way to catch these big moves is if you're either long from the bottom or you're short from the top up here. It's the only way to trade, guys. Everything else is mid chop chop. This is mid chop chop. I only took a quarter size, just a little quarter piece, man. A little half a milli on these ones right here. Because if this thing dumps, dude, I'll take that little L. You know what I'm saying? We get down like below that because if we really break this, then I think we just come down. But let's see right now. Let's see if Bitcoin wants to at least just hold this little trend line that it's been on. Look, we're coming down to the trend line that I just drew. It's just kind of just been playing on these, man. Is this thing going to bulldoze down on this thing? Just kind of come on down? Maybe we can add to it from like here to here. That might be, it's just, normally, guys, I like at least 0.6. You know, 0.6. Because then at 10x leverage, that's my 6% move, 2-3% move right now. This could be a 2% move, but this is just really, really, really tight. Even for the way I scalp, guys, the way I teach you, this is tight. So let's see. Let's see if we can do this. You know, Viking Steve asked me a month ago, you ever micro scalp these little ranges within a range? Well, this would be it. This would absolutely be it. Jeffro got some wins today. Good for you, man. What's going on, Mike Vollmer? Welcome in, man. Yep. Remember that, Viking Steve? This is a range within a range, man. Yep. Remember I told you I normally don't because these are tight moves, man. These are tight. These are tight ones, brother. You know, I'm in a long right now, though. I mean, literally, if we pop up anywhere into, I mean, technically just this, we come up to that. I mean, I can close it out for $1,000. Why not? Sure. If this thing comes down into here, I can actually add to it, maybe add another 500K. Comes down into here, I can add another 500K. Keep stops right underneath this. You know, it's coming down right now. Let's see what's going to happen. Is Ditty going to just bulldoze up? You know, every single time Ditty's looking like it's just got legs, man. Even on Ditty, you know, this thing comes up to here and it's really hasn't done much. So let's see. Let's see what's going to happen right now, man. Very, very, very tight range, guys. The best trades are going to be at the bottom of these things. You know what I mean? Look, now we're wicking down. Here we go. I mean, it just hasn't been decision time unless it's right now. I mean, it's been dead all day long, guys, inside of this range. I mean, just dead. It has been dead all day long inside of this range. Let's see what's going to happen here. Dominance is coming up. Now, it would be nice. I don't know if dominance comes all the way up here. Can Bitcoin? Dang, this is a big move for Bitcoin to get down to 66. Well, I guess it's not too bad. We can easily get down to 66.4. We're at 66.8. What is that, a $300 move? Easy peasy, huh? 0.5% down on a dump. It's just too tight right now. I'm telling you guys, this is just very, very, very tight right now. Let's see if this thing just completely plummets, or is it getting ready to come back up to the tippy top? This is a tight range because when it does break, it's going to be violent. Tight range, man. Gonna have to wait an entire hour to find an entry. Yep, possibly. What's going on, Shirley Sound? I mean, it can go both ways right now, man. Bitcoin can totally just completely plummet. Bitcoin can totally just completely plummet. Or it could just bounce right back up to the top right now. But it's just been a tight range, guys, for Bitcoin. I mean, crazy tight. Look at this, dude. I mean, sheesh, dude. This thing's probably going to rip back up to the top. I'm telling you, man, this is just tight. Let's see. Dominance isn't really ready to go. It's up at resistance right now, too. I mean, just if this thing even comes back down here, I'm going to just probably end up closing it. If this thing comes down even into this will probably just come up just a tad, back up into this little range. Look, there it goes. Let's see, man. I mean, even 60. Let's just look at it. This is just too tight of a range. Let's see. Let's just see what's going to happen here. The uncertainty, the suspense is killing me. Tell you what, I mean, let's just see what happens here, man. If this thing's getting ready to go for it or not. Let's see. I want to watch this. Let's watch. Let's just watch together. I'm going to tighten this up just a tad like that. See if this thing kind of plummets down to here just a little bit. Let's just see what's going to happen. We're up $100 right now. Bull divs on the 32nd. There's hope. I let my bot do that. Well, I was looking at that today, dude. The cloud bots and TradingView and some APIs and all that. Let's see. Let's trade the 1 second time frame, 1 to 5 minute micro trades. That's what we normally do, man. But you know, we got our 20 minute. We're looking at it here. Let's see if Bitcoin's really ready just to dump. I mean, it just had its little dump. This is, guys, in the last 2 hours, this is technically considered a dump. Let's see if this thing just pops back up here to the top. I mean, literally, my target would be 66,900. I mean, just something like this. I mean, something like that even is just easy peasy, man. Or it just dumps. Brother, it's tight. That's awesome, dude, that you're able to do that. I don't know how to code. I don't know how to do all that. I don't know how to do all that. Let's see what happens here, guys. Good stream today with Drew, man. I had a good time with him over on Discover Crypto, guys. Yep. Only in your days from MIT. Oh, yeah, but we were coding data for elephants, white elephants. That's right. Let's see what happens here, man. This thing, there's just no ump. There's no ump right now, man. There's no ump right now. Let's see what's going to happen here, dude. This is a tight range, dude. This is a tight range right here, guys. Sheesh. I'm going to, let's just see. I mean, and we've already, guys, I got to tell you guys something else too. I can't do macro TA anymore. I am macro TA'd out. I can't hear another analyst talk about, yeah, it's nice to take a day off. Absolutely. I can't even watch or look at another analyst talk about the case for 60 and the case for 80K. I can't do it, dude. I'm fucking fried with it, dude. You know what I'm saying? Probability states one of those two scenarios is going to happen, and probability states the people that you're listening to, they're not even in a real trade or a position. Chart fairies. So I'm fed up. I just can't do it, guys. I'm maxed out on some. I am at my max for macro TA. I can give 2 fucks less whether we're going to 80 or fucking 60. I just can't do it. Look at the 6-month candle. A 6-month candle. We'll trade the 6 months candle in 2028. That's how long that candle takes to play out. Look at that. There's a 6 month candle. See what I'm saying? We'll trade the next one of these whenever it does and completes itself in 6 months. Dude, I don't even know if I'll be alive tomorrow. Sheesh, I can't do it. I can't do it. I mean, and what time is it right now? There's no markets open at 7:20. 7:20. This is such a tight range right now. And actually, I don't even know if I want to do it like an upward channel. I really just think like that is much more appropriate. All right. I really think this is much more appropriate like this. We got a range within a range, guys. There you go. Literally, we have a range within a range. And then same thing with Ditty. Let's also go to the 20. And we also have a small range. You know, we can also just say we have a range within a range. Is this ready to break out, or does this come back down and just repeat? To be determined in the next 20 minutes. Let's worry about the next 20. I really think to start only scalping, I'm in a Casper VIP, but it doesn't really work for my psychology. Just been in a trade, the trade when I'm on the computer will be way less stressful for me. Yeah, he's scalping. I'm scalping. I am the scalping channel. You know, dude, that's my mentor right there, brother. I'm telling you what, if he's scalping, I'm scalping. I can tell you one thing for certain right now. I can notice that every one of your favorite channels is trying to scalp. They all want to scalp. Everybody wants to scalp. Everybody wants to scalp, dude. I'm not a swing trader, guys. You want to know why? Because I don't like round tripping any of these things. And the uncertainty in the market right now will wreck your trades. I'd rather be in my chips, take my chips off the table. Let's walk away, baby. Let's, you know what I'm saying? But no, man. I mean, there's a lot of good traders out there, man. You know, just keep adding to your arsenal. Keep adding to your arsenal. I just know that crypto interest is stupid low right now. I mean, crypto interest is insanely low right now. Futures volume is insanely low right now, guys. I mean, USO oil on Hyperliquid is getting more interest than Bitcoin. United States oil. You know, it's going to come around. But like I said, guys, man, I can't even talk. Even this right here is too tight for me. This is too tight for me. I don't like this. I don't like this. This is a little too tight for me. Ditty coming on up right now. Let's see if it gets a hard pop. If it gets a hard pop, or will it get a hard stop? I mean, it's either gonna. It's literally, man. We're in such a tight range right now. It's not even funny. Something crazy is about to happen sometime tonight, or some like when we're all in bed, and you know, I don't know. Let's see what happens. It'd be crazy because this wick right here says a lot. This massive sell wall, this wick right here says a lot. So it'd be crazy to blow these people out of the water and then come bolting down, or two, we come bolting down real quick and then wick up. But I have a feeling we're in for another one of these and a one of these. Or, I mean, we're in for a big surprise. Like I said, I mean, I'm in a little long right now, man. This thing's coming up to resistance. This thing's down at support. Keep a tighter stop on this one. Is Bitcoin just going to get a little pop? I mean, all we're asking, I'm only asking for 66,900. You know what, guys, too? We had a really good day inside of the Coliseum. We went over the Coliseum doctrine, the psychology of trading, scalping, understanding as well that we got to stick to the structures and the strategies, guys. Otherwise, it's just going to be gambling with your money. And I know that you guys are working so hard for your money every single day at your jobs that you guys need a fighting chance at you know, when you guys are putting this money at risk on the exchange and trading with it. If you guys really, really, really want to grow as a trader, it is going to come down to the discipline. It's all about the discipline, man. Discipline decides who eats. Discipline decides who stays. Kind of like a guitar. Yeah, here, we'll finish off our little guitar here. Guitar. I think we need 6, right? Our little guitar levels. We be eating, my brother. What's going on, Alex? Yeah, God bless, man. God bless. I'm not going to be trading at all tomorrow, guys. I'm excited. I'm not going to be trading tomorrow or Sunday. I'm going to just relax. It's been a great couple weeks, man. I'm just going to relax, man, the next 2 days and just really relax. God bless too, man. I hope you have a wonderful Easter. Happy Easter from my family to yours. There we go. Now we're actually getting a little move here. Is it time? Is it time, or is Biddy just faking out? We're still got these lines right here. Here, we'll get rid of all of this real quick here, because these are the only 2 lines that we really need in order to scalp. This is it. Tight, 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 tight. Tight right now, guys. Refresh, relax, and stay for next week. Yeah, exactly, dude. Same. Refresh, relax, reset, and slay next week. That sounds like a great plan. You know what? I like the thumbnail for right now, because you know what, guys? Literally, it's the only thing uncertainty is certain. Everyone can agree that the market is so uncertain right now. If that makes sense, you know, my little metaphor here or whatever. Uncertainty is certain. But one thing I am absolutely certain about is relaxing tomorrow, relaxing Sunday, eating some good food, hanging out with my kids, my wife, my family. I will be so happy to come back on Monday and see the big move of whatever happens to the upside or to the downside. We reset, and then I can get back to my massive scalps, man. That's what I'm now. We come back Monday and we're still just sidetailing in this little whip. Woo! I might be taking Monday off too. That would suck. Dude, if we just keep tailing like that, oh man, that would suck. That would suck. Yeah, my wife's going to be picking up a couple of 8 to 10 ounce or 10 pound prime ribs tomorrow. We're going to make some prime rib for my family. We're going to just relax, dude. Get a little horseradish. Sounds bomb, man. We're just going to have some good food and just relax, dude. I'm doing nothing tomorrow. I'm here to tell you, I bet you this thing just whips right back up. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about, dude. I'm telling you guys, we annihilated this range. I mean, on the bigger time frame here, we annihilated this range. These were the better moves. These lows, these highs, even this one, even on this short coming down, this was much better. This is too tight, guys. Everybody that's nice, and this is the ultimate trap right here, because everybody that is long or short from here and here and long from here and here, Nobody knows whether or not to close your longs when you come up here and it's ready to blast, to close your shorts. It's on, dude. I mean, it's on like Donkey Kong right now, dude. The move's gonna come. It's just ain't nobody know, man. Ain't nobody know. Let's look at some market cipher real quick. Let's look at some market cipher. Let's blow this up. And let's go out to like a 1 hour and try to see what's going to happen here. Let's see. Look at the moves to the upside have just been completely weak. I mean, this is just crazy right here, dude. Super, super, super. But the moves to the downside don't have any momentum to them. That's because we haven't had any momentum or to the downside in a few hours. All right. We don't have any momentum waves here. Let's go to a 24. Money flow slowly coming up, but no momentum behind it. Tight RSIs. Tight RSIs. VWAP's anchored down. Let's go to a 12. I want to go to a 4 hour here. 4 hours looking like an upside move, but that doesn't mean that we can't come down just a little bit. 4 hours looking like an upside move. Flat RSIs. They're not stupid tight right in here like they were back here, because look what happens whenever we have really, really, really tight RSIs like this. Really tight. A move happens. Big move happens. Let's go out to the daily. I bet you the daily looks great, and it does. The daily hasn't changed, guys. The daily has been doing this. Momentum to the downside has been very, very weak. Money flow is definitely curving in. Absolutely curving in. We've been watching this since back here. Absolutely curving in. On the daily, it says that we're, excuse me. On the daily, it says we're going up. It's just which day, nobody knows. Daily's looking good, but so did it here. Look at this. Daily curved in sharp right in here. Look at this. Look at how sharp the daily curved in here. When we got, and now here's what's crazy, guys. This could be the scenario that's just like this. Remember how tight this was? This was very, very, very tight right here. Look, maybe this is what we're about to get. Let's look at this. We go from here to here. We might be on to something here. All right. Look at how tight this range was in sideways trading. Look at the momentum waves. Look at money flow slowly curving in right here. Slowly curve. Maybe this is it. Maybe we finally get this nice big momentum and we actually get this pop. And this happens. Boom. Maybe something like this. Look at that. Look at the tight range. Momentums curving in, getting weak to the downside. Tight, flat RSIs. Tighter, flat RSIs. We're curving in. Let's see if this thing actually curves in like this. We get a nice little green money flow. We get our move on up here. Maybe that is the 80K that everyone's talking about. And we could look at that 80K and say, you know what? It matches up to something like this. Oh, my Lord. I don't know, dude. It's like future telling. Who knows? But on the daily, this is definitely looking like something like this. You know what I mean? On the daily looks great. Daily looks really good. Daily looks good. Let's go to a 3-day. 3-day still looking really good. Momentum starting to get thicker, though. Tight RSIs on the 3-day. Like this is, momentum, though. And then let's just look at the weekly real quick. Weekly says we're coming down. We're just getting started. On the weekly, man, this is where I say Bitcoin's bottom isn't 60K, but to be determined. When we go red for the weekly, dude, we go red. We go red for a year. All right? We go red for a year. If we were to go red for a year, 365. All right? Puts us in January of 27. Come on down right into here. 40K. Little 40 Jeezels. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's January, dude. Junior. JR. My brother. You know, I said I was tired of macro TA, and now we're balls deep in this thing. What a tool. What a tool I am. You know, the daily though, the daily on market cipher guys be looking real good. Look, real, get it out, son. Real good. Real good. Chicken Hawk. You guys remember the old cartoons? Like, subscribe, share, or you will itch in every nook and cranny for the remainder of 2026. Voodoo. Oh, I was looking at something super cool today, man. I was looking at an ARC Viper, dude, a Voodoo, those Voodoo 2s. Oof. Fucking sick, dude. The year's 2060, dude, and that car still looks like it's brand new. Binance is probably going to make the call. Hyperliquid, Wintermute, Jane Street, they all got the plan. They know what they're doing. Billy Madison. Daily looks good, though, guys. Daily looks good. We be looking good on the daily. There's your hope from the Coliseum. Yours truly. Yours truly. Telling you, this is tight right now, dude. This is tight. But yeah, I mean, now that we've gone over our macro TA, you guys have heard it 19 times. Now you heard it 20. Let's just get a move, boy. It's tight right here, dude. It's something's about to happen here. Let's look at market cipher here. This is looking good. Like if this comes on down, man, we might just get a little something. Let's go to the daily here on Ditty, and let's see here. I mean, this is looking good. It's looking just as good as the daily. We want in. I mean, again, pumps are getting really weak to the upside. Money flow curving on in. You know, look at what happens, man. When this thing comes down, it's not. I mean, when it goes in the red, it doesn't go in the red for very long on Ditty because obviously it's the #1 asset against Bitcoin. People are taking profits into USDT Tether, not in dollars. They're taking it into Tether. You know, when this thing goes red, it also goes for, I mean, these are 60 days here on the daily. Let's see how long it was. Let's go out to the weekly here. How long is it whenever we go through a bear market? When we go through bear markets, you got to measure the green. This is also probably, I mean, that's 2 years right in there, man. This is bear market for Bitcoin. Whenever this thing's going ape shit crazy, that's bear market for Bitcoin. Right now, I could tell you guys for certain that if Bitcoin absolutely breaks down, this flag right in here, dude, this thing right here is tight. I mean, this flag right in here, dude, this is a big boy. This thing comes bolting on up here like this and puts it, dude, Bitcoin's going to get just fucking roasted. Roasted. I mean, Bitcoin will get just annihilated. You know what I'm saying? If something like this happens, which, you know, we could say maybe higher highs, just something like this. I don't know, dude. How do we draw this? Got multiple. I don't like that. I don't like that trend line. That particular one I don't like. But I can't see dominance do something like that, man. If it rips out, then you know what? When this thing, and again, look, it did the same thing here. Did the same thing here. Look at target hit to the T. You know, from the breakout right in here, go up a little bit. Yep, target pretty much hit on this flag on USDT dominance. So if it does the same thing, man, then Biddy's, you know, dude, I'm just telling you. You like that, Crypto Lion? You know how you keep a stream rolling for over 2 hours? You just keep repeating the same things. Understand, guy? That's what we do. You just repeat the same thing 50 times. Now Biddy's wanting to roll over. Dominance is pumping back up to this line here. We still got a little play here on Biddy coming down to this. Works its way down, pops. Works its way down. Does it break through or does it pop? Yeah, well, history doesn't need to repeat itself, but it does have a rhyme and a rhythm. So maybe you're right or maybe you're wrong. Junior. Junior? You ever watched Indiana Jones? I'm trying to say Junior, like, you know. Indy. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're wrong. You know, I'm already ready to start my weekend now, dude. We've only been streaming for 45. Tough acting to acting, guys. I mean, it's just tough acting to acting tonight, man. I would prefer. I'm still going to end up taking the long. Let's just put it this way. I'm still going to end up taking the short on Bitcoin up here. Actually, we'll go out to like to the 20, 30 minute. Oops. We could still take the short up here, like right up here. And we could still take the long down here or even. Now, here's the other thing, too. I'd also be open if we do come on down. I would be open. Obviously, we have this. So this right in here. 63 400s. Maybe I'll take a massive, massive long at 63 400, just a tad bit above this. So 63.5, I'll be watching. So as a matter of fact, I want to, because I do want this trade, 64.7. I'm setting an alert for that. At the break of this, I would like to know if we're going to be putting in a lower low on this right in here, but we don't completely sweep this yet. That way we build up a ton. We build them up here, here, and we build them up here. Or I'm sorry, since we're way over here. Let's get rid of those two. Here, something like that. Doesn't need to come down to this exact trend line, but just low, lower lows right in there. Whoop. And then we go like that. Bang. At least sweep 72s. And then we can come down and just bulldoze all of these guys. Something like that I could see happening too. Yeah, look, we just playing right down on that line. Does it just what? That's I have no idea what's gonna happen here, dude. This thing could just bulldoze down. So, with that being said, guys, if you guys want to do a giveaway, we've been dying to do a giveaway, man. Dying to do it. I've been dying to do a giveaway, man. Yeah, we only got 41, dude. We're not even in the fucking vicinity of a giveaway. What's up, Blada? Happy Friday. Does anybody even believe in good news anymore? What's up? Fiva Pagai. After I gave my virginity away, I no longer do giveaways. It's probably the best one all night. Try and sniper the wick. You want to know how to sniper wicks? I'll show you. You take a piece of your account, all right, and you set hooks. This is how you sniper it, all right? If you're trying to sniper it all, snippers, all right? This is what you're going to do. You set a 50x, and this is Liquidation Central, all right? So let's just say, I'm just going to use simple math. You have a $100,000 account, all right? And you can use the same math for everything, $100,000 account. You say, you know what? I'm going to set a $1,000 here at 50x for liquidation. I'm going to set another $1,000 here for liquidation. And then I'm going to set another $1,000 here for liquidation. All right. Comes down, gets filled, comes down, gets filled, comes down, gets filled. All right. This drops down to here once this gets filled. Once this gets filled, this drops down to here. There's your new entry. This thing comes right back up. Boom. Now what you're able to do you see what I'm saying? It does. That's how you set the hooks. And then you got the trade. So you take 3% of your account. All right. You take 3% of your account and you set the hook. So like, let's just say I have a $100,000 account again, $1,000, 50x leverage, $1,000, 50x leverage, $1,000, 50x leverage. If I get blown out of the water completely, I only lost 3%, real 3%, right? Because I'm only willing to lose $1,000 on each trade. Does that make sense? That's how you catch those wicks, dude. Let's just say you said 60K. You could set it at 63, 62, 61. And then by the time the orders get gobbled up, bink, bink, there's your entry, and you caught the wick. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense to you? You guys, does that make sense? Please tell me that makes sense. Please. Just kidding. I don't really care. But that's how you do it, man. Set those hooks. So the other thing, the way you would do it is if you go here to like the weekly, you can say, you know, macro, 15,000 up here. I would set that $1,000 at 57 right here at the top. I'd set one in the center of the golden pocket. And then I would put one at the 615. This thing comes down. Bloop. You got the trade. Brother. Have a good holiday, Viking Steve. I'm getting ready to jump off too, dude. I'm getting ready to jump off too, guys. I mean, it's tight, man. This is even for me, this is tight scalping. There's just not enough meat on the bone. I mean, I'm in a long right now, but I'm just waiting for a little pop, and we're not even getting the pop. Yeah, because you also got to remember too. So think about it this way too. If you take $1,000, now you got to be willing to like. This is the way I do it. This is just the way I do it. I say, hey, I'm gonna take 3% of my account. I'm gonna layer it in. I'm gonna do high leverage on not on cross. I'm gonna do isolated. I'm gonna do isolated. I'm gonna set these hooks right in here. Boom, boom, boom. Let them ride. I'm only losing 3% at 50x leverage. It doesn't even matter, dude. So you see what I'm saying? They come down in like that, dude. But dude, you catch one of them and it wicks back up here. All we got to do is come right back to 65K, 23% at 50x leverage. So what is that? A 10x on your money? You make 10 grand on $1,000. Boom. See what I'm saying? On 50x. Is that right? Is that math right? Yeah, I mean, just easy strategy. All you're losing is 3%. You see what I'm saying? That's the only way to catch those violent wicks on those liquidation wicks where it's just fucking grueling and just blitzing down. Easy to do this strategy. Well, I would do that strategy on a macro golden pocket. Guys, this is a macro golden pocket between literally 15,000 and 126. That's how I would play that right in there. Boom. Right on, man. Yeah, send your UIDs in so that way I can I think I already did, didn't I? Did I already verify it? Manual? Yeah, you're already verified. Yeah, Ditty's sitting flatter than the flat earth people, dude. Trying to scalp with no hills in sight, dude. It's bad right now, guys. I'm telling you, I'm gonna enjoy the weekend, guys, and I'm happy to see where we end up on Monday, Tuesday. I'll trade that. But it's just, dude, I loved the range that we were in. Sheesh, man, I loved this range. I love this range right in here. I mean, sheesh, man, we were getting it. We had a good range in here. We had a good thing going, man. Now it's just too tight. Decision time. Maybe something like this. We could say Biddy comes down to that on the, I don't know, dude. Even right now, it's totally curling up right in here. I mean, get my line straight here. It's totally just winding up right in there. I mean, it can go both ways right now. Super tight. Let's look at Ditty real quick here. Look, Ditty's just been playing on this line that I drew. Look, just same thing. No big moves on Ditty. Can't break out. I mean, it's just tight right now. Guys, the big trap. It's going to grab liquidity on both sides for sure. Yep. Happy Easter to you too, Grand Boss. Yeah, if you guys can, since we're all here, we'll keep it at an hour. You guys smash the likes. I'll be posting inside of the Coliseum. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Smash the likes on your way out, guys. I think I'm going to be waiting to see what happens tonight, man. Let's see if we get the big move tonight. So that way the next 2 days, it can kind of just find its new like level. You know what I mean? So we can try to scalp it. Breaking news, Low Peasy. Shit's gotten so bad that people don't like giveaways anymore. Breaking news. Likes have never been so unliked. Likes have never been so unliked. Macro TA has been told 10,000 times. Giveaways in crypto don't even matter anymore. This is how you know we're in the bear market. Levels aren't being broken. Pumps aren't being made. Oh, man. Nick O'Neill stopped being funny. Oh, it's terrible. Get Rich Neil isn't so funny anymore. That's not good. I love that guy. Brother, it's dying down. Oh, what are we in for this bear market, dude? Cardano's in the hole. Link Marines are offing themselves. You don't know who Nick O'Neill is? Neil. It's Neil. You guys want to see who Neil is? Here, I'll show you. Don't worry, I'll show you. Get Rich Neil. I'll show you, dude. Anytime you want to laugh, anytime you want quality laughs, dude, you come on over here. You go to, hold on, I'll show you in just a second. I got to find him again. You watch, you go right over here. You go to Nick O'Neill at Choose Rich. All right. You look at him and you think, you know what? You just think, you know what? Dude's a baller. Dude's a total baller, but here you go. Ready? Let's see here. Let's see. Let's watch a video together. Let's get to the good stuff, the meat and potatoes. Hold on. I'm just here for the tech. Don't worry, I'm just here for the tech. Oh, man. Oh, man. Woo! Can you guys hear this? Oh, man. Woo! Oh, you guys can hear it. All sold. I just can't. This guy helps me get through the bear market. You know what I'm saying? He just helps me get through the bear market. Hold on, dude. Watch this.
I just wanted to give you some quick financial advice, if I'm being honest. Right now, the odds of Timothée Chalamet winning the Best Actor right now is only at 35%. And those odds are dropping drastically and dramatically thanks to him denigrating ballet dancers and also opera singers, which I honestly felt was completely inappropriate. It's only in a couple of days, so I highly recommend buying it at 66 cents here, the no, on Polymarket. And I think that you'll end up making a quick 50%. I don't need any money or anything like that, but if you want to give me a quick round of applause for this free financial advice, I'd greatly appreciate it. You're welcome.
Are you guys able to hear these videos?
Attention, everybody. I'm not looking for any money or anything like that. I just wanted to give you some quick...
them, right? Hold on, dude. Let's go to the ones where he said... Oh, man. Where is it at, bro? We need the ones that are... We need the better ones. Hold on. We need... You guys are able to hear these, right, as I play them? Just making sure. Bill Ackman said that if I just walk up to women and say, "May I meet you?" that I would get a good response.
Provide some free financial advisory. Attention, everybody. I'm not looking for your money. I'm just here to provide some free financial advisory service.
Fuck.
You may wonder my qualifications. I'm just an average investor that's done decently well. I wanted to let you know that Robinhood stock is down substantially right now, but I do think it's a good time to start dollar cost averaging in. I don't need any money, so if you want to give me some applause, I'd appreciate it. You're welcome. Fight the urge to put all of your money in at once. I've made that mistake. Remember, we're reasonable investors here. The CEO did just say that we're part of a $1 trillion prediction market super cycle, though. So it seems quite promising.
Oh, man. You guys, I just can't. Dude, this guy, I wish I could meet this guy in Vegas, bro. If I could actually meet this dude, bro, he's the best. Hold on, is this the one? Let's go to Bill Ackman said. Bill Ackman said that if I just walk up to women and say, may I meet you? Well, clearly Bill Ackman was wrong. I just can't, dog. Hold on. We got to get to the meat and potatoes of this. This is good, dude. Oh, gosh, dog. I'm dying inside. I love this dude. I hope I meet this guy one day, dude. I really do hope I meet this cat one day because he's, oh, yeah, here we go, dude. We're getting into the meat and potatoes, dude. I want to see. This dude is just the gem, dog. Mm. See, this dude's always posted, bro. Here he goes. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Oh, my God. Look at this guy. Wow.
Hold on real quick, guys. My fucking trade, while we're doing this, my trade's about to make $1,500. Let's see if we actually get this high. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, I just can't. Get rich, Neil, while I'm watching this, guys. I told you, man. I don't know, dude. What's going to happen here? Can we get a little higher? We got almost $2 million on the line. I pounded down in this thing. I ended up taking, I layered into this thing, dude, but we got a little scalping. Let's see if can we get just a little bit more. Let me look at the Ditty real quick. Oh, Ditty did drop. Oh, we're going to get it. Ditty, come on down. Just a little bit more of the diddler. Come on. Come on, baby. Give me just a little bit more. I'm looking at dominance right now, man. I'm looking at dominance right now. You know, let's see if we can just, if dominance comes down a little bit more, then Bitcoin will come up just a little bit more. This thing's fighting right here. Let's see if, you know, let's see if Bitcoin can just get a little bit on it. I mean, that was a good pump, man. Shoot, man. If I, there we go. Come on down. This isn't good though. This is a good dump right here. Maybe I should just take the profits right here. You should probably just take the profits. Last sweep of the shorts. Shonda the Honda's transmission. Oh, man. I could just watch this guy all night. That was a good little pop. I mean, that was the first little pop. Oh, shit, dude. I'm dying. I am dying right now, dude, from Get Rich Neil.
Oh, oh my God. No way.
Well, that pump's over with. Look at that. It was right there. It was a good pump, guys. We're good.
Oh my God. Look at this guy.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Hold on, dude. Let's see here what we got. Let's go to where he said Bill Ackman. He's out of hand, dog. Here we go.
Attention, everybody.
This is the best one.
I don't need any of your money. I'm actually here providing a free service of investor protection. I just wanted to notify all of you not to make an investment in MicroStrategy stock. It's absolutely imploding right now. You're welcome. So just in exchange for that, no money, could you just please clap it up for me? Thank you. Now you know not to invest in MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor is a borderline criminal.
Oh my Lord. This dude is off the charts, dog. I hope I meet him in Vegas, dude. I wish I could find the ones for Bill Ackman real quick. Ackman, whatever. This dude's such a G, bro. You guys want to see him at the gym? We'll leave on that note. Clap it up. I don't need any of your money. Just clap it up. Oh my God, you guys. I just can't. This is probably the funniest shit I could just do. This dude's the man, bro. I'm telling you. Oh man, okay. Oh sheesh, dude. He even tells the ladies, you know, if you're interested, single file line, please. Oh God, look at it. Ready? Here we go. You make me so sad. Oh, okay, guys. I think I'm done. I wanted to show you guys the one where he's like walking up to chicks, dude. He's just like random chicks, dude. Godly, dude. What a good laugh. This was a good night. This really made this part right here made my night. This right here made my night, you guys. This dude posts a fuck ton, huh? I'm dying, dude. I am dying right now. All right, I think I'm done, guys. Let's check the likes real quick. See if you guys want to get a giveaway. Dude's a baller, dog. Neil is dude. If you see him, you have to do whatever you can to get a picture, dude. If I can get a picture with Get Rich Neil, Nico Neil, dog, I know I've made it. That dude's the best. I think he's just the absolute best. I mean, he is the best, dude. This dude. I mean, I just think he's the flippin' best. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, dude. I just can't. He's just too much, bro. Where is this at? July? I don't know where he was doing this. Maybe I missed him. Maybe he took him down. I don't know, bro. But he's just.
Good evening from the crazy crypto market, and cheers with my bottle of Cristal. You know your boy is celebrating. Bitcoin continues to pump, although it's pulled back a little bit here. Altcoins continue to pump, maybe a little bit of a pullback as well, and I actually consider it to continue pulling back. That is the expectation at this moment in time. But everything is absolutely pumping, and all of this is on the backs of Trump signing the Genius Act. Clarity Act is incoming. The CBDC.
All right, guys. You guys have a good night. I'm done, man. I'm all out. Cristal, my bottle of Cristal. You know, this thing's ripping out. Bitcoin, guys, is, I mean, I wouldn't say Bitcoin's completely breaking down either. We could probably rinse and repeat this thing. It's still holding. To be determined what's going to happen, guys. Both sides. Just be safe out there. Keep the stop loss. Happy New Year's. Happy Easter. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys, happy birthday if it's your birthday. You know, you guys have a wonderful evening, man. Just if you guys are going to be scalping, just make sure to keep it tight, man. Keep it tight. The big move's going to be around the corner. Don't try to catch the perfect tops on the upside or the bottom. With that being said, you guys, everybody, happy Easter. Happy Halloween, Nadia. Everybody. Lopezi. You guys, everybody have just a great night. All right. I love you guys. Be safe. Happy Easter for my family to your guys'. All right. You guys have a good night. Peace.
Who are we? Pranksters! Where are we? The Coliseum! What do? Execute! Are you not entertained? The Coliseum! Is this not why you're here? Execute!